All right, big shouts out to Zam at Boise Skate Supply. He looked at this truck at day one, put it up on the coping, and instantly saw where that kingpin stuck out below the dropper. So he had suggested immediately that we could flip this kingpin over. What we can do about getting this clearance issue addressed on the Carver down here at Boise Skateboard Supply. There's actually a question that came up in the comment section on my Carver truck comparison video just today, and see if it's possible by flipping it over. Huh?
We can revert it.
Sweet, so just flipping it around, and game changer.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All the clearance you need now.
Nice. Nice. Sam, the man, coming up with a solution for the C5 and the coping, just like that. So yeah, I'm glad. Appreciate you taking the time to tear it apart, and bam. Awesome.
It is new. But yeah, lowered it way lower, and it doesn't matter if this gets hit a little bit now. Because before you could ruin your threads, but now it won't matter.
Definitely killer C5 hack right here. Flip this kingpin upside down and you have plenty of room for getting up on coping and grinding coping, because after all, that's what these trucks are all about. Sweet, let's get it back on the coping and give it a try.
Yeah.
When I had this kingpin sticking out beyond the dropper, I was actually hooking that on the coping here. So now I'm free sailing. As you can see, we got clearance for days. Donation. Get this done. So,
Making it rain.